In last week's video, I went to Yongsan Electronics market because I wanted to buy this camera, the Canon G7X Mark III, and that was to replace my GoPro Hero 7 Black. When I first arrived in Korea last year, I cycled from Seoul to Busan on my bicycle, and this was the perfect camera for that trip. I could strap it to my chest, I could strap it to my helmet, I could have it whilst I was riding along. It's waterproof, it's got video stabilization. Even when we filmed the music video Yosh, it fell off my bike and it cracked, and it still works perfectly. So overall, this has been a great camera. Then a Chilean girl called Janet checked into the hostel, and she had the Canon G7X Mark II, and I've been looking at upgrading my camera between either the G7X Mark II and the Canon M50. So she let me use this for 2 weeks, and I was very impressed by the quality. It's a lot more colourful, the screen flips up so I can see myself when I'm speaking, I can zoom in and out. It's a lot easier for vlogging than the GoPro. The video quality on my vlogs has improved dramatically, so I wanted to buy this camera. However, I couldn't find it at Yongsan Electronics market. I went on Tankun market, which is Carrot market, and it's like the Korean version of eBay. And I bought it from a guy who bought this camera 1 month ago, and he paid for it brand new 900,000 won, and I got it for 570,000. And I was ecstatic. I thought, I've got it for an absolute steal. The quality is amazing. It's the exact camera I wanted. And I was eager to go out, film a vlog, come back and edit it and upload it to my channel. So I went out filming, and straight away, I was just having problems. And the first thing I noticed, when I turn it on and I look at myself through this flip screen, my face seems a lot bigger in this screen compared with the G7X Mark II. This is a lot more zoomed in, which was annoying, so I had to hold my arm further away. So I was like, oh, well, that's not that big of an issue, that's all right. I was clicking it quite a bit to focus in on my face, and then I'd be speaking, and I'd move to the side and start film Rafi saying something, and then I'd be having to press the screen again to focus in on him, and then I'd turn it around to film the restaurant that we're gonna go in and eat, and it was just constantly blurry, and I'd be pressing the screen constantly. I'd be like, guys, wait, I'm trying to focus, And it wouldn't focus, and it was really annoying me. And it was like this all day at the market. I just couldn't focus in on anything. So I came back and I searched on YouTube how to do the settings for the autofocus and manual focus on the G7X Mark III. And every single person in the comment section was saying how bad the G7X Mark III is. The autofocus just doesn't work. It's absolutely terrible. Now I'm recording this with the G7X Mark II, and it's so easy. If I click on the screen, it focuses on my face easily. If I move away, just one click and it'll focus with the square on something back here. So the focus on the Mark II is great, and I assumed that by buying the next camera up, it would just be a step up, the quality would be a lot better, but that's not the case. This camera is utter. I bought this camera 2 days before we were going on a camping trip to Soroksan National Park for the Chuseok holiday, and then the day before when I was filming this vlog, I realised how bad it was. So luckily Janet let me use the Mark II camera. So if you want to compare the quality of these 3 cameras that I've shown in this video, go and watch the playlist cycling from Seoul to Busan, where the whole thing is recorded with this. Whilst I'm speaking now, you can see some of the footage from this and also from previously in the video. And if you want to see the quality of the G7X Mark II, I filmed all of our trip to Soroksan on this camera. So next week on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, which is the normal days that I upload my videos, I got some really exciting videos of our trip to Soroksan National Park. On the first day, we were drinking wine by a fire under a bridge because there was a torrential rainstorm. The second day, we hitchhiked to the mountain and hiked through the mountain to a waterfall. And on the third day, we tried to hike Korea's 3rd largest mountain, but completely failed. So if you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful, click the like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm at 806 subscribers. I check every single day. I'm almost at 1,000. Also, leave a comment below which is your favourite mirrorless vlogging camera. For me, it's a Canon G7X Mark II. Definitely not the Mark III. But to end on a good note, I paid 570,000 won for this, and hopefully I'm going to sell it for 620,000 won. So make sure you subscribed. I'll let you know how much I've sold this for. You can also see the quality of the G7X Mark II and also how much fun it is to live in South Korea. Yosh.
조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍둥이 얘는 조던이지
김치 감자탕에 쌓이다